Like I said, as we inch closer to phase 2 of Lok Sabha elections, knives are out in the INDI bloc from north to south and east to west. Cracks are quite evident in the INDI alliance. And amid these differences between the allies, a string of top alliance leaders today will be sharing the stage once again. Remember, such rallies have earlier taken place as well in Patna, in Mumbai, and this time around it's going to happen in Ranchi. From top Congress leaders, including Mallikarjun Kharge, Rahul Gandhi, to other leaders such as Akhilesh Yadav, Derek O'Brien and Farooq Abdullah, are all slated to attend this mega rally in Jharkhand's Ranchi today.
वहाँ के जनता को भी जो जनता आ रहा है सबको ये तो गलत ठहरा दे वही लोग अच्छा है, इसीलिए उस बारे में हमको कुछ नहीं करना है। जिस तरह से महाराष्ट्र में हुआ, जिसका सोच विचार ही सही नहीं है उसका हम कोई प्रतिक्रिया नहीं देते हैं।
What's interesting, though, is that certain bigwigs of INDI, West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, Shiv Sena UBT Chief Uddhav Thackeray and CPM's Sitaram Yechury will be skipping the rally. In fact, CPM General Secretary Sitaram Yechury has written to the wife of former Jharkhand Chief Minister and JMM Executive President Hemant Soren, Kalpana Soren, and also expressed regret for not participating in the INDI bloc rally. He cited that he's in the middle of election campaign and so he's not going to be able to attend this rally. So here are the three big leaders of the INDI bloc. Mamata Banerjee, interestingly, remember, has not attended any INDI rally so far that's taken place. Though in the Mumbai rally, which took place before this one, she did send her party colleague Derek O'Brien to attend this particular rally. And we may just see a TMC representative, but the TMC Supremo is in all likelihood going to give this a skip. Uddhav Thackeray not going to be there. An interesting reaction, though, has come in from Sena UBT. Before we talk about that, the third name that's not going to be in attendance today is Sitaram Yechury. Further escalating the divide in the alliance, like I said, Shiv Sena UBT MP Sanjay Raut has once again pitched for Uddhav Thackeray as INDI bloc's PM candidate. Before we talk about the BJP's reaction, hear it from Sanjay Raut.
आहेत का मी म्हणणार नाही, पण का असू नये असा माझा प्रश्न आहे. अर्थात इंडिया आघाडीमध्ये एकत्र बसून निर्णय घेतले जातील, पण जर महाराष्ट्राला नेतृत्व करण्याची संधी मिळाली, आम्ही अनेक वर्ष शरद पवार साहेबांकडे अपेक्षेने पाहत होतो की कधीतरी शरद पवार साहेब या देशाचं नेतृत्व करतील, पण अंतर्गत राजकारणामुळे या देशातल्या इतर काही बाबींमुळे शरद पवारांसारखा झुंजार नेता, अभ्यासू नेता, त्यांचं कर्तृत्व असताना सुद्धा त्यांना ती संधी मिळाली नाही, याचं आम्हाला वाईट वाटतं आहे. आणि जर उद्धव ठाकरे साहेबांना ही संधी मिळाली तर शरद पवार यांच्यासह देशातले अनेक प्रमुख नेते उद्धव ठाकरे यांना पसंती देतील, का देणार नाहीत. एक उमदा चेहरा आहे, महाराष्ट्रामध्ये मुख्यमंत्री म्हणून उत्तम काम केलेलं आहे, कोरोना काळामध्ये एक राज्य सांभाळलेलं आहे.
You've heard it from Sanjay Raut of Shiv Sena UBT, who's come out to say that Uddhav Thackeray is an excellent choice as the PM face for the INDI alliance. Now, in the past, we've seen several, when Nitish Kumar was still with the INDI alliance, his party men did every now and then come out to take his name when it came to the choice that the INDI bloc still had to make. Of course, the Congress is of a different opinion. There are those who've come out to say that Mallikarjun Kharge is an ideal choice, and there is, of course, a backing that Rahul Gandhi also continues to get from the Congress cadre. Amidst all of these names which we've heard of in the past comes Uddhav Thackeray's name, as has been spoken of by Sanjay Raut. The BJP, of course, says this is nothing but a mockery of the INDI bloc's decision-making incapabilities, because they've spoken of these issues but have not been able to resolve them since the INDI bloc was first formed. Let me go across to Shrishti joining us with more details. Shrishti, can we see the two together? The fact that, Sanjay Raut has come out to say that Uddhav Thackeray makes an excellent choice for INDI bloc's PM face, and Uddhav Thackeray actually giving this rally a skip. Are the two to be seen together in any possible manner, or would that be jumping the gun really?
Well, definitely, this is an interesting move by Sanjay Raut, wherein he is pitching out Uddhav Thackeray's name for the PM candidate. And remember, this is not the first time wherein Sanjay Raut has mentioned the fact that Uddhav Thackeray can be the best choice. Earlier as well, he mentioned that Uddhav Thackeray is a nationalist face and he can go ahead with the prime ministerial candidate. He also mentioned that Sharad Pawar, at one given point was also a prime ministerial candidate. But due to infighting and due to lack of support, he wasn't able to, bag that position. But if Uddhav Thackeray given the chance, then many leaders, tall leaders, as well as Sharad Pawar will back him for the PM post. However, what comes across is that the Maharashtra Congress is little upset with a statement which is given out by Sanjay Raut. Nana Patole yesterday went out and said the fact that till yesterday Sanjay Raut and other leaders were talking about Rahul Gandhi as a PM, but now what they are mentioning is that Uddhav Thackeray's name. So one should not consider Uddhav Thackeray as one should not consider Sanjay Raut's statement as a important statement. He goes and talks about things a lot, but it's not important what he mentions is what Nana Patole, who is a Congress state president, has mentioned. Also, what comes across is that for PM candidate, Sanjay Raut is now pitching ahead Uddhav Thackeray's name, and for the India Bloc rally today, only Priyanka Chaturvedi.
What's also interesting is, and let's quickly remind our viewers of the same. Let's jog their memory through when Mamata Banerjee and Akhilesh Yadav, not Akhilesh Yadav, I think it was Arvind Kejriwal, if I'm not wrong, who'd come out to say that Mallikarjun Kharge fits the bill best. So he may just be declared the PM candidate. And while the nod for Mallikarjun Kharge as PM did come in from many, there was a little bit of an uncomfortable silence that we saw in the Congress camp. And today you're telling us that Maharashtra Congress is not quite comfortable with this idea that's been put forth by Sanjay Raut, and they've taken Rahul Gandhi's name.
Well, definitely. Every time when it comes to talk about the PM candidate, it's always the name of Rahul Gandhi given out by Congress party. However, the India Bloc leaders are always trying to, pitch their own tall leaders for the PM candidate. But now, as Sanjay Raut is picking up the lines and going ahead and saying that Uddhav Thackeray can be the best choice for PM candidate, there it shows that all the India Bloc leaders are still, deciding on the factor, and they are not on the same page if we talk about for the PM candidate. And these are the same allegations raised by BJP as well, that India Bloc will, crumble down after the elections.
Thanks for that, Shrishti. It's very interesting how things are playing out. Remember, so far the INDI Bloc has named no one as its PM face, and they've said that they will wait for the election results to come out before they take a final decision. And the BJP has used this as an opportunity time and again to question the indecisiveness of the INDI Bloc. The name that's garnering maximum interest is also that of Sunita Kejriwal. From addressing a joint rally of the INDI Bloc at Delhi's Ramlila Maidan to now getting ready to attend another such gathering at Ranchi, Sunita Kejriwal has once again taken center stage.
Kane sir, your dinner.
On a tile? It's antibacterial.
Scratch resistant also.
But plates? Kane bhai, it's a tile ad.
IM Plus टेक्नोलॉजी से बने वर्ल्ड क्लास टाइल्स, टाइल हो तो सिंपल हो.